All right, you guys asked for it. We're going to bring it to you. This is a 2012 Ford Ecoboost. Now that's 6-cylinder, twin-turbo motor. Pete Keppage from Keppage Ford was nice enough to let us use the vehicle for R&D development. We did a dual exhaust from the factory Y-pipe, 3-inch all the way back, round smooth tube mufflers, exit for a slash-cut 3-inch tip. Now, guys, this isn't our final production. This is just a teaser to get out to you to see what you guys like. You got to understand something. 6-cylinder, twin turbo, it's hard to get that sound that everybody's going to be looking for. That's why we're going to have you guys help us decide what a final sound should be. So this is the sound of the vehicle under normal driving conditions. Just normal throttle, nothing heavy. When you give it more throttle, it sounds really good for a 6-cylinder. Now remember, this thing makes tremendous power too because of the twin turbos.